Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. You can find my books on computing by searching Google for quote Barry Nirmal books unquote. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. So I go to WhatsApp and then I come to the menu here and it says WhatsApp web. So I select that and it says scan QR code. To use WhatsApp web, go to web.whatsapp.com on your computer. Okay, so I'm going to So I come to my browser and I type web.whatsapp.com. Then it says here, see this screen here, it says to use WhatsApp web, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu or settings, point your phone to the screen. So I'm pointing this phone to my screen. So it scanned the QR code and now it says keep your phone connected. WhatsApp connects to your phone to sync messages. To reduce data usage, connect your phone to Wi-Fi. So my phone here is connected to Wi-Fi, but I must leave it connected to Wi-Fi. I put it on my desk, and now this screen shows my all my messages on WhatsApp. Now, this screen on my computer is the same screen that I get on my WhatsApp on my phone. And I can select this message, and then this message from Toshi, India. See, it has a video. I can play it. I can forward this message to anyone. Okay, so this is how the WhatsApp on web browser works. I'm using the Edge browser on Windows 10, but this will work with any browser on Windows. This program also works on Mac. The procedure is similar. Okay. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.